pirate crew.
First of all, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So nice to be able to welcome you to St. Christopher's School this morning. Our pirates are clearly all fired up and ready to go this morning. Raring to go. So I'd just like to say that we've been doing some work about the oceans, and last week we had a lovely trip to the beach and we were able to look for sea creatures and see plastic and things. So this assembly this morning follows on from the work that they've been doing. So guys, have you all got your big voices this morning? Sorry? Big voices? That's better. So they're all ready to go this morning. They've been practicing ever so hard. So I'm going to pass over to the wonderful 2B.
Welcome to Assembly. I would like to introduce you to our wonderful pirate crew. Lovers, the day has come after much merriment. Down the jolly jellyfish we have taken to the high seas. But our ship is just a little different to a normal pirate ship. Everything aboard the plastic pearl is made from plastic. The crew's shoes, boots, coats, picnics, and the captain's hat, plates, bowls, bags, and the latest hooks. We don't have forgotten treasure, oh no, we want plastic, lots of it. When we don't need the plastic anymore, we just throw it overboard. It's great. We are not sure the animals of the ocean agree, but we don't care. Let me take you to the Olga Octopus Deep Blue Sea Hospital where things are particularly busy today. What are we going to do if we don't keep the plastic out of our oceans? We'll be in real trouble. My shell is deformed because I got stuck in a plastic ring. I almost choked in a plastic bag last week. Next time I might not be so lucky. My tummy ache is getting worse and worse. Any more microbes, then I'll be a goner. It's the same old thing, I'm afraid, plastic ingestion. See what the mountains of plastic are doing to our health survey. We're living in a plastic soup. From bottles to ready boots. We don't know what to do. It's getting beyond the joke, that's true. Soup, soup. We're living in a soup. We're living in a plastic soup. We need to have a plan right now and find a way soon somehow. Gather round, have a think before it gets beyond the brink. Soup, soup, we're living in a soup. We're living in a plastic soup. We're living in a plastic soup. From bottles to ready boots. We don't know what to do. It's getting beyond the joke, that's true. Soup, soup, we're living in a soup. We're living in a plastic soup. We need to talk with the pirates. I'm sure they would change their tune if they realize how many problems their plastic Gucci is causing us. Let's go and speak to them. Excuse me, pirates, can we have a moment of your time? Please help us. We don't like all this plastic. It is so dangerous. Stop it. It is making us ill. Please stop throwing all that plastic in the sea. Help, we're desperate. We don't care. We love plastic. Go away. No, just a minute. We need to listen. Our plastic is hitting the sea creatures and making them ill. Oh dear, we don't want to hit the sea creatures and make them so much. We better stop throwing all that plastic in the ocean. We can just use the plastic what we need. Yes, I suppose I don't have to replace all my jewelry every week. And I threw 3 buckets overboard last week, even though they were perfectly alright. What about the messages in the bottle? I suppose you can just send emails. We could use rucksacks and bags for licensed plaster instead of plastic carrier bags. What about all the plastic ready for wind? We can fish for it. We'll cast out the nets, we'll recycle a lot. Back to plundering gold and silver again. And with all the plastic we recycled a lot, take a look at our wonderful pollution boxes of recycled materials. polluted by pollution to make sure they do not get caught up in any more plastic. We hope you enjoy our assembly and remember recycle your plastic and save our ocean creatures. We adore it, can't live without it. It's amazing, hear us praising plastic. We just love it, nothing's above it. So if you're passing by, it is not yours to reason why. Give us your plastic, give us your plastic, give us your plastic art. We adore it, can't be without it. It's amazing, hear us praising plastic. We just love it, nothing's above it. So if you're passing by, it's not yours to reason why. Give us your plastic, give us your plastic, give us your plastic art. We adore it, can't be without it. It's amazing, hear us praising plastic. We just love it, nothing's above it. So if you're passing by, it's not yours to reason why. Give us your plastic, give us your plastic, give us your plastic art.
Well done 2B, that was absolutely fantastic. I really enjoyed that. They spoke so clearly, they sang so well. You were absolutely amazing. Can I just ask you to all stand up, please? Because at the end of an impressive show like that, all the actors usually take a bow. Okay, so after 3, 1, 2, 3, please take a bow. So they did ever so well. So Pirates, did you enjoy doing your performance this morning?
Yeah!
You did a wonderful job. Now, the famous pirate cry that we've heard several times recently is "Ahar." So after 3, do you think you could give us your big pirate "Ahar"? 1, 2, 3. They are a fierce bunch. They did ever so well, so well done to all of you. Just a few thank yous as well. So I'd like to say thank you to all the parents for helping with the costumes and for coming along and supporting them today. Huge thank you to our staff, Mr. Gardner, Mrs. Joseph, and our music department. Most of all, I'd like to say a big thank you to you children. You were fantastic today. You've done ever so well.